In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to play Roblox on Nintendo Switch. If you find this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. Playing Roblox on Nintendo Switch offers a portable gaming experience with access to a wide range of user-generated games. It allows you to enjoy Roblox's social and interactive features on a versatile console. To begin, power on your Nintendo Switch and navigate to the system settings from the main menu. On the left-hand side panel, you'll see a list of options. Click on Internet. This will open a new page where you should select Internet Settings. The Nintendo Switch will start scanning for available networks. Once it detects a network, select the one you want to connect to. On the next screen, choose Change Settings. This will direct you to the Network Settings page where you can view information like SSID, security settings, and other network-related details. Scroll down a bit and you'll find the DNS settings. By default, the DNS setting will be set to Automatic. Change this to Manual. You will now need to enter the primary DNS manually. On the screen, you'll notice that the existing DNS will be filled with zeros. Replace this default DNS with the new DNS you have received or chosen. This will serve as your primary DNS. After entering the new DNS, press Save to confirm your changes. Once saved, navigate back and click on Connect to this network. Your Switch will now attempt to establish an internet connection. When the connection process is completed, return to the blue DNS settings page. On this page, click on Continue to Google. This will take you to the Google homepage. In the search bar, type in Roblox, and once it appears in the search results, click on the link to go to the Roblox website. Once on the Roblox site, locate and click on the Login button in the top right corner of the page. You will be prompted to enter your login credentials. After entering the information, you will be successfully logged into Roblox on your Nintendo Switch. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.